Numerator should be equal to denominator. When you get the answer, first and last, second and third should be equal. Mean proportion is B square is equal to root of AC. Formula. What's the formula? New ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. Very good morning to my dear students, to one and all. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Quantitative Techniques, 4th semester, Unit 3, Session 1 in favor of B.B.A. Today we are going to discuss ratio, proportion and percentage. So we are going to discuss now the third unit. Here no, third unit, it contains ratio, proportion and percentage. What do you mean by ratio? What do you mean by proportion? How to pronounce the percentage? We'll go one by one slowly. Very simple problem we are going to solve. Very slowly we can go. We move on to problem. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities. Same quantity had been compared. It is called ratio. Proportion, comparison of two ratio. Comparison of two ratio is called proportion. Comparison of two quantities is called, we can have a ratio. What is ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two quantities. Whereas a proportion is a comparison of two ratios. You must be very careful. Same quantity we are going to compare. Two sweets will compare. Two fruits will compare. Two flowers will be compared. Two boys of the same percentage will be compared. Proportion, here no proportion. Two ratios will be taken into consideration. We'll move on to problem now. First problem. 10:40 x into. So what the problem says, no? First and last, second and third. First and last, second and third. That is the procedure. So 40 into x is equal to 10 into 2000. How it is? First and two extremes, two intremes we say. First and last, second and third. First and last, second and third. Multiply 40x. So 2 ones are 2 followed by 40. This is 20,000. So x is equal to 20,000 divided by 40. So that's equal to cancel the 0. 4 5s are 20, 500. So this is 10:40 is to, what's the x value? 500 is to 2000. See that? 2000 into 10 is 20,000. 500 into 40 is 2000. This should be equal. How it is? When you get the answer, first and last, second and third should be equal. So 40,000 into 5,000 is 20,000. 2010 is 20,000 means correct. Second, same thing. First and last, second and third. So 80 into x is equal to 21 into 400. This is 80x. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, followed by 20. X is equal to 8,400 divided by 80. X is equal to 8,400 divided by 80. 105. 80 ones are 80, 4 remaining 0, 85 are 400, 105. So here the numbers are 21 is to 80 is to, what's your x value? 105 is to 400. So 400 into 21, 400 into 20 was 8,400. 105 into 80 is 8,400 is equal to 8,400. 8,400. LHS is equal to RHS. Committed. Then we move on. Find the third proportion. A is to B is to B is to C. What's your A? 2. This is 2 is to 6 is to, what's your B value? 6 is to C. 2 is to 6, 6 is to C. First and last. 2C is equal to 6 into 6. 2C is equal to 36. C is equal to 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 2 is to 6. See that how it will be? 2 is to 6. 6 is to 18. See that? 18 2s are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 36 is equal to 36. LHS is equal to RHS. Though it seems to be very, very simple, first you have to learn this, then we'll go to a big problems. Then we move on to the next. Third proportion. This is 4 is to, same formula. A is to B, B is to C. What's your A? 4. 4 is to 12, 12 is to C. So first and last, second and third. 4C is equal to 12 into 12. 4C, 12 12s are 144. C is equal to 144 divided by 4. So 144 divided by 4. 36. Number is 36. So numbers are 4 is to 12 is to 12 is to 36. First and last, second and third. 4 into 36, 12 into 12. So 36 into 4, 36 into 4, 144. This is 144. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we go to the third proportion. Then next method, we want to mean proportion. Mean proportion is B square is equal to root of AC. Formula. B square is equal to root of AC. So we have got 45 is to 25. A is, so the formula is A, L. So 45 mean proportion, square of that, B square is equal to root of 45 into 25. Root of this, almost 45 into 25, B square. So what is 45 into 25? 45 into 25. B square is equal to root of 1125. Root of this. It would have been a 5, then would have been a perfect root. 1125. B is equal to root of 1125. 33.54. Not a perfect root because number like this. Then we move on to next one. Find the mean proportion of 64 and 8 and 64. B square is equal to AC. So B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to 8 into 64. B square is equal to 64 into 8, 512. B is equal to root of 512. Root of this 22.63. 22.63. Not a perfect root. So this is the way of doing. B square is equal to AC. B square 8 into 64. B square is 512. B is equal to root of 512. Square root of this 22.63. Then A is to B is 8 is to 9. B is to C is 4 is to 5. C is to D is 8 is to 9. Find the ratio slowly. A is to B is equal to what? 8 is to 9. A is to B is 8 is to 9. B is to C 4 is to 5. This and this have taken. So here also B, here also B. What's a B value? 9. Here, you put it here. Into 9. What's a B value? 4. Multiplied by 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. Then here 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. So B common. Therefore, A is to B is to C. I have taken the B common. 36 is there. What's your A? 32. What's your B? 36. What's your C? 45. Then A is to B is to C is to 32 is to 36 is to 45. Then C is to D is equal to 8 is to 9. What's common here? C. What is the C value? 45 here. What is the C value? 8 here. So C 8 multiplied here. What's your C value? 45 here. Multiply 8 into that. The C value goes here. C value comes here. 32 into 8. 256 is to 36 into 8. 288. 45 into 8. 360 here. 45 into 8. 360. 45 into 9. 405. C common. So A is to B is to C is to D. What's your A? 256. What's your B? 288. What's your C? 360. What's your D? 405. So this is the ratio because This 6 is there, 5 is there, which is not divisible here. So we move on to next one. Hope you understand this. A and B are partners sharing the profit in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Mr. C as a new partner for 20%. Find the new ratio. First we write the formula. New ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. What is the formula? New ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. I think you have learned in accountancy this one. New ratio is equal to old ratio, remaining ratio. New partner C. New partner C is equal to 20%. 20 by 100. This is 1/5. Therefore, remaining ratio 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. This you have to learn. So, what's a new partner ratio? 1/5. Therefore, out of 5, 1 has been given to new partner. How much left over? 4. 1 minus 1/5 is 4/5. Now, we can apply now. New ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. So, who are the partners? Are A is to B is equal to 3:2. So, A is equal to 3/5, B is equal to 2/5. This is old ratio. This is called old ratio. We'll apply now. New ratio. A. What's the old ratio of A? 3/5 into. What's your remaining ratio? 4/5. Just multiply 12 by 25. Come back to B. What is the old ratio of B? 2/5 into. What's your remaining ratio? 4/5. Multiply 8 by 25. C. What's the new ratio? 1/5 into. What's the LCM here? 25. What's the LCM here? 25. In order to get that 25, what to do now? Here LCM is 25. Here LCM is 25. In order to get the 25, this should be multiplied by 5. Put the 5 also. 5 by 25 is nothing but 1/5. So, if here by chance it is a 20, 4, 4. It is 15, 3, 3. It is 5 by 25. See that numerator should be equal to denominator. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 5, 25. So, numerator is equal to 25. Therefore, A is to B is to C. 12 is to 8 is to 5. A is to B is to C. 12 is to 8 is to 5. This way you have to do. Last step, can you understand? 1/5. What's the LCM here? 25. What's the LCM here is 25. To get the 25, multiplied by 5, divided by 5. If it is only 20, 4 divided by 4. If it's 15 only, 3, 3. If it's only a 10, 2, 2. You have to do it. Hope you understand this. Then, A and B are partner in the ratio of 3:1. They admit Mr. C for 25%. Find the new ratio. So, new ratio of C is equal to 25%. That is 25 divided by 100. This is 1/4. So remaining ratio remaining ratio 1 minus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. We mean to say in mathematics, out of 4, we have given 1 ratio to new one. What old partners are? A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. Therefore, A 3/4 is to 1/4. So, apply new ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. You go with A. What's the old ratio of A? 3/4. What's the remaining ratio? 3/4. This is multiply 9/16. Come back to B. What's the old ratio? 1/4. Remaining ratio 3/4. Multiply 3/16. C. What's the new ratio is given? 25%. 1/4 into. What's the LCM here? 16. What's the LCM here? 16. To get the 16, it should be multiplied by 4, divided by 4. 4/16. See that numerator should be equal to denominator. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 15. So, A is to B is to C. Numerator should be equal to denominator. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 4, 16. So, there is the ratio of 9:3:4. Same thing what we did in the last problem also. Same method you are following. But this will come for 5 marks. Hope you understand this particular point. Shall I explain? 25% is 1/4. Monthly salary of 2 persons, Rama and Bhima, are in the ratio of 5:9. If their salary increased by 1,000 and the new ratio would be 3:5, find their salary. Let the number be X. What's the ratio? Rama is to Bhima is equal to 5:9 or 5x is to 9x. Then their salary increased by 1,000. The new ratio is 3:5 increase. So here 5x plus 1,000 then divided by 9x plus 1,000 equals to how much? 3/5 is equal to 3/5. Cross multiply 3 into 9x plus 1,000 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 1,000. Why we have added 1,000? Increase by 1,000 they say. Multiply 3 9s are 27x plus 3,000. 5 5s are 25x plus 5,000. You take the s this side equals plus x become minus x. 27x minus 25x is equal to 5,000. If this number comes, minus 3,000. This is 2x. 5,000 minus 3,000 is 2,000. So x is equal to 2,000 divided by 2 is equal to 1,000. So 5,000 x means 5,000 x means 5, they are in the ratio of 5x 9x. 5 into, what's the x value? 1,000. 9 into x value? 1,000. This is 5,000 is to 9,000. Substitute the values. Understand? So they have got 5x increased by 1,000. Second one, 9x increased by 1,000. So they are in the ratio of 3 by 5. I cross multiplied like this. So find out the x value. So x is 5 into 1,000, 5,000. 9 into 1,000 is 9,000. Hope you understand this. Monthly salary of 2 person, Ramu or Somu, are in the ratio of 5:9. If the new ratio 6, so find the salary increased by 4,000. Here only increased by 4,000. Let the salary BX ratio 5:9 is nothing but 5x is to 9x. The new ratio is 6:10, increased by 4,000. We can write 5x increased by how much? 4,000 divided by 9x increased by 4,000. They are in the ratio of 6:, means 6/10. So cross multiply 10 into 5x plus 4,000 is equal to 6 into 9x plus 4,000. See that? 5x plus 4,000, 9x plus 4,000 is equal to 6/10. Cross multiply 10 into 5x is 50x plus 4,000 into 10, 40,000. 6 into 9, 54x. Plus 4 into 6, 24,000. So you take 50x. If you take minus 54x, plus becomes minus, it is 24,000. If the 40,000 comes that side, minus 40,000. This is minus 4x. 40,000 minus 24 means minus 16,000. Cancel the minus. X is equal to 16,000 divided by 4,000. So 5x is to 9x. 5 into 4,000. 9 into 4,000. 20,000. 36,000. Same way. By chance, decrease if they ask in the exam now, minus, that's all. In the ratio of 6/10. Hope you understand. We have followed everything here. Monthly salary. Here now 25. This you must be careful. New ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. So 1/4. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. New ratio is equal to 3/4, 1/4. New ratio is old ratio into remaining ratio. The last step, 1/4. What's the LCM here? 16. What's the LCM here? 16. To get the 16, 1/4 into 4/4 is 4/16. So they are in the ratio of 9:3:4. Add this to 9 plus 3, 12 plus 4, 16. Numerator should be equal to denominator. We go one by one now. All types of problems you solve. See that? First one last, second and third. This extreme, x value, same thing you have done. Then regarding the mean proportion, here no third proportion, A is to this amount proportion, A is to B, B is to C, 2 is to 6, 6 is to 6. This is LHS is equal to RX. Here also 4 is to 12, 12 is to C, 4C is 144, C is 36, LX is equal to RHS. Then mean proportion B squared is the root of AC, B square root of 45 into 1000, 33.4. Then B squared is equal to AC, B squared is equal to 5 into, B is equal to root of 512. This is B is equal to root of this. This can be written as B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to 45 into 25. B square. B is equal to root of 1125. B square. B is equal to root of 1125. This is a value. Same thing. B squared is equal to AC. B square is equal to 512. B is equal to root of this. Then A is to B is to C. What I did know? A is to B is to C. What's a B value? 9. Here B value 4. This should be multiplied by 4. This should be multiplied by 9. So it will come 32, 36, 36, 45. So what I did know? 32, 36, 45, C and D, 8 and 9. Which is common here? B and C. C here, D is there. So 8 here. Here no, C. I multiplied this. C is 45. C is here no, 8. C is 45. Put it here. So they are in the ratio here. Then new ratio, partnership now, 20%, 1 by, I think, 1/5. Formula, new ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by new ratio. We have given 1/5 to new partner. What's the remaining ratio left over? 4/5. So out of 5, 1 rupee is equal to new partner. How much left over? 4/5. So you are done. Then same portion you are done here also. Here 2 persons, Ramu, they are in the ratio 5:9. We can put as x. 5x is to 9x. Increase by how much? 1000. 5x plus 1000, 9x plus is equal to how much? 3:5 makes 3/5. Cross multiply, get the x value 1000. Same monthly salary of 2%, Ramu and Soma are in the ratio of 5:9. 5x is to 9x. And if the salary have been increased by 4,000, 5x plus 4,000, 9x plus 4,000 is equal to 6:10. Cross multiply. You got here minus 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 4,000. So 5x is to 9x. 5 into 4,000. 9 into 4,000. Hope all types you have solved here in the ratios. We'll move further in the next class. We'll further proportion we go in the next class. We already solved so many problems in the ratio. We'll go in the next session about the proportion. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.